Natural recipes drink for belly fat burner, to get rid of belly fat permanently. Trust me when I say that to get rid of belly fat permanently is very easy with just a belly fat burner drink. Hi everyone. I hope you're all well and safe. If you are just visiting our channel for the first time, please kindly like, subscribe and, as well activate the bell button in order to be notified whenever we drop such an amazing video. Thank you in advance for your support. If you are looking for a natural and fast way to lose belly fat at home, without a strict diet or exercise, then the fat burner drink is just the best fit for you. The first recipe we'll be using is lemons. Lemon contains vitamin C and antioxidants which are very useful in the process of belly fat burning. Lemon increases the feeling of satiety and fullness for a long period without adding calories to the body. Meanwhile, lemon aids in digestion, helps to detoxify the body, boosts energy. It also prevents kidney stones and enhances immunity. So, we are going to need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon into 2 and squeeze it in a bowl. After that, proceed to cut the lemon peel into small pieces. And then put the lemon peels in a saucepan. But that is not all. Yes, I mean not all, but before we proceed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell button in order to be notified whenever we drop a video like this. Many thanks as you do so. The second ingredient is ginger. Ginger promotes digestion, treats digestive problems and facilitates the absorption of fats in the small intestine. Ginger promotes weight loss and burns accumulated fat in the small intestine. So we'll be needing a piece of fresh ginger of this size. Peel and cut the ginger into small pieces. The third ingredient, turmeric. Curcumin is the active substance in turmeric which fights inflammation. Turmeric helps to reduce joint pain and treat arthritis symptoms. Turmeric promotes weight loss and burns accumulated fat in the abdominal area. Turmeric benefits blood sugar control and help keep blood sugar levels stable, not forgetting also that it enhances immunity, and has cancer-fighting properties. Turmeric lower bad cholesterol levels. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. The fourth ingredient is black pepper. Black pepper contains substance known as piperine which has been shown to have medicinal properties in the treatment of many conditions. Black pepper strengthens immunity, has anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antispasmodic properties. Curcumin is poorly absorbed by the body on its own. Pairing it with piperine, however, can significantly boost its absorption and allow the body to use it more efficiently. Add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1/2 liter of water. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you are still yet to. Thanks. The ingredients of this fat burner recipe promote fat loss greatly, reduce fat storage, reduce appetite, improves metabolism, and drinking them together will increase fat burning. So proceed to boiling it. Simmer on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool down for 5 minutes. Strain the mixture and discard the rest of the ingredients. Add the previously prepared fresh squeezed lemon juice. You can store this fat burner recipe in the refrigerator for 3 days. To get an effective result, continue to drink this fat burner recipe on a daily basis for 2 weeks. The last ingredient is optional, and that is natural honey. Natural honey contains properties that help boost metabolism and enables the body to burn fat quickly. You can sweeten the drink with only natural honey by adding half a teaspoon of honey to each cup. Drink 1 cup, 180 milliliters, in the morning, 1/2 hour before breakfast, and 1 cup 1/2 hour before dinner. If you have any request, don't hesitate. We welcome your comments. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like video, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks.